Indian Navy Day. So what is this Navy? What does this Navy mean? We all know that our country is having two types of boundaries, right? Land boundary is there on the north side and water boundaries are there on the south side. So these two boundaries has to be protected from the enemies. So the land boundaries are protected by the military people, whereas the water boundaries are protected by the Navy people. And the full form of Navy is Nautical Army of Volunteer Yeomen. So the full form is Nautical Army of Volunteer Yeomen. And why we celebrate this Navy Day on 4th December is actually initially it was celebrated on 21st October in 1944 itself. From the 1944 itself we are seeing these Navy Day celebrations, but it was celebrated on 21st October. In the next year they have celebrated this on 1st December. Finally in the year 1971 they have decided to celebrate this Navy Day on 4th December because it was on the day that the Navy has done one important operation, that is the Trident operation against Pakistan, where they have sunk 4 Pakistani vessels including PNS Khyber and killing hundreds of Pakistani naval personnel. On occasion of this they have started celebrating this Navy Day on 4th December every year. Listening?
Yes, ma'am.
So it is one of the branch of armed forces made specifically for naval and coastal conflicts to safeguard India's maritime territorial integrity and other maritime interests. So Chhatrapati Shivaji Bhosle is considered as the father of Indian Navy because of his contributions towards the growth of the Indian Navy's naval branch. And the chief of this Indian Navy is Admiral R. Hari Kumar. And we have some major bases in our country, and the major bases of Indian Navy are Mumbai, Goa, Karwar, Kochi, Chennai, Visakhapatnam, Kolkata and Port Blair. And the biggest naval base is in Karwar, that is INS Kadamba. Okay, and as of now, the Indian Navy possesses 2 aircraft carriers, in which INS Vikramaditya is very important and it is considered as a king of Indian Ocean. It also has 1 amphibious transport dock, 8 tank landing ships, 11 destroyers, in which INS Visakhapatnam is very important and INS Mormuga is very important. It also has 12 frigates, missile submarines, conventionally powered attack submarines, corvettes are there, landing craft utilities are there, auxiliary vessel and small portal boats are there. So these all are working together to protect our maritime Varuna god, to be auspicious unto us, O Varuna. And the theme of this Navy Day, every year they will be having, or they will be coming forward with their theme. This year 2023 they have come forward with the theme, that is operational efficiency, readiness and mission accomplishment in the maritime domain. So this is about the Indian Navy, and finally I would like to conclude saying that let us celebrate with pride the service rendered to the nation by our fearless and selfless warriors, the men in white. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.